In this practice, it's just like the stairs again. We have an L, upside down L here, and there's another one here, which is 2 times repeating. We're only going to program the first one. So this is a repeat 1, 2. Repeat 2 times east, and then another time. So 1, 2, and then over here we need to go down. 1, 2. There you go. Now if I run it, and then I will need to repeat the same thing. So I'm going to put repeat 2 times, and I'm going to put all of these inside it. In this practice, I need to go this way and then that way. It's the same way, same stairs. So first, going to do repeat 2 times east, 2 times south, same as the practice from before. And then I'm going to put another repeat over here, but before I need to test it. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. So repeat 2 times, and there you go.